So in this video, I'll be showing how to create a group policy on a Windows 2012 R2 server. You can see, choose the domain that you want to create a group policy for, and you select create a new group policy object. In this case, we're going to name it password policy, and we're going to change the settings for user accounts on this computer, for the passwords when creating the account or passwords used. You can see it's under Windows settings, under computer configuration. You can see security settings, account password policies. And here you change the minimum password length to 14 characters. And this option enables Windows default complexity requirements, which make it so that a user needs to include symbols or numbers or capital and lowercase letters in their password. And here is showing the default settings. These are default password settings for a domain controller. You can see now creating a new user without the new settings haven't been applied yet. We'll just name it pass, just as a test account, and we'll use a password with upper lowercase numbers and symbols, but under 14 characters, and to allow us to create the account because the new policy hasn't been applied yet. And you can see the account successfully created in the Active Directory. So now to make the group policy object that we created applied, you go to the domain, linked group policy objects, and then you can see the order. And before, default domain was on top, meaning that its rules would apply first, but by putting our custom password policy group policy object on top and refreshing the server to apply it, now those settings will be applied. And as you can see, we'll try and create a new user in the Active Directory using the same password as before, but the results will be unsuccessful because the password is under 14 characters. So here's attempting to create the account on the domain, and this basically shows that the new policies have been applied. And applying policies like these can help to secure your network or computer, so it's very important to know how the same method can be used to apply many policies.